Learn English with your Instill.
Hey Oliver, good morning.
Hi, Ava, good morning.
Where are you these days?
Nowhere, just in my office and office to home.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am free.
Can I ask you something about your hobbies?
Sure, I'd love to answer it.
What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy playing the guitar. How about you?
I love dancing.
How long have you been dancing?
I've been dancing for about 5 years now.
That's awesome. Do you take any classes?
Yes, I take hip-hop classes twice a week.
Cool. I'd love to see you dance sometime.
Definitely. And I'd love to hear you play guitar. What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How often do you read?
I read every evening before bed.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
Have you tried cooking new recipes lately?
Yes, I made pasta from scratch last week.
What's your favorite sport?
I really enjoy basketball.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect stamps.
Have you ever tried photography?
Yes, I love taking pictures of nature.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love hiking in the mountains.
Do you enjoy puzzles?
Absolutely. I love jigsaw puzzles.
Have you ever tried knitting?
Yes, I've knitted a few scarves.
What's your favorite board game?
I love playing Monopoly.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I take salsa classes.
Have you ever done any DIY projects?
Yes, I built a bookshelf last summer.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I enjoy watching comedies.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Are you into video games?
Yes, I play a lot of RPGs.
Have you ever tried yoga?
Yes, I find it very calming.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I enjoy reading a good book.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I go swimming every weekend.
What type of art do you like?
I prefer abstract art.
Have you ever done any volunteering?
Yes, I volunteer at the animal shelter.
What's your favorite season for outdoor activities?
I love the fall for hiking.
Do you enjoy baking?
Yes, I love making cookies.
What's a hobby you'd like to try?
I'd like to try rock climbing.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I spend time with friends and family.
Do you watch any sports?
Yes, I love watching football.
What's your favorite kind of music?
I enjoy indie rock.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Are you interested in fashion?
Yes, I love keeping up with trends.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.